Today I will discuss a number which is both a palindrome and a prime number. Now the question is, what is a palindrome? It is a string which will give you the same result when you will reverse it. For example, WOW, wow, ROTUR, rotor, ROTATUR, rotator, MALAYALAM, Malayalam, MADAM, madam, MOM, mom, CIVIC, civic, LEVEL, level. These are some of the strings which can be easily reversed without worrying about the errors. Second question is, what is a prime number? It is a number which is divisible by itself and the number 1. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. 43 can only be divisible by 1 and the number 43. It cannot be divided by any other number. Now here the question is, I'm using two methods. The first method is prime number and the second method is palindrome, and this is an AND symbol in Java. If both the conditions are true, then only it will get executed. I am calling both the methods, and method is written between the brackets. This is the starting of the method and this is the end of the method. As you can see, the bracket is ending over here, and after that I am returning the value. Anyways, so first of all, I am declaring a variable int number of numbers is equal to 1. For int q is equal to 2, true, q plus plus. I am declaring a variable q. I am putting it the value true. I am declaring it to be int data type. The initial value is 2. After that, it increments. If system.out.print q plus, so it will print the value if number of primes percent 12 is equal to 0. Here I am displaying 12 number of primes in one line. After that, it will go to next line. As you can see, system.out.println. If number of numbers is equal to 299, I can increase it to 399, 1000, 4000, 5000, whatever I like. So this is the maximum limit of numbers, palindrome, prime numbers which I want to see. Number of numbers plus plus plus. Public static, here I am checking whether it is a prime number or not. Public static boolean prime number in number of numbers 2. For int q is equal to 2, q less than equal to number of numbers 2 divided by 2, q plus plus. If number of numbers 2 percent q is equal to 0, return false. Once the condition is true that it is a prime number, it goes to the next method. It starts here and it ends here. Static int reversal int part 3 I've just named it to be the part 3 of the program. Int output is equal to 0 while part 3 not equal to 0. So how will I test it whether it's a palindrome or not? I will divide it by 10 and I will check I will keep on doing repeated increments with 10, and if the reverse of the number after that calculation is same equal to that of the number which I'm doing in this method, then it will be a palindrome. Int and num is equal to part 3 percent 10, output is equal to output into 10 plus and num, part 3 is equal to part 3 divided by 10. I will execute it, and please subscribe and like this channel. I'll run this to see the output. This is a very computational heavy task, and that is why I want to see the resource consumption. So that is why I'm opening the task manager. As you can see, I'm getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 in the output. 101 is a palindrome prime, 131 is palindrome prime, 151 is palindrome prime, 181 is palindrome prime, 191 is palindrome prime, 313 and 353 are also palindrome prime. So as I already told you that it will go down because more number of digits are coming. So along with that, I look at the resource utilization. See, memory consumption did go down a little bit. CPU utilization ratio also did go down little bit temporarily, not permanently. And last week, IEEE has given the results of the most popular programming languages. It is available on their website at https colon forward slash spectrum.ieee.org forward slash at minus works forward slash tech minus carriers forward slash top minus programming minus languages minus 2020. Python is at number one because Python is used for AI machine learning. Java is at number two because Java can handle anything and everything. It can work on Samsung Exynos processors. Java can work on uh, Intel series of processors, AMD series of processors, Snapdragon, Qualcomm, Apple A series of processors. Then Java can also work on any kind of operating system, be it Huawei Harmony operating system, Windows, Apple, iOS, Android, Linux, BlackBerry. Just name any kind of environment. Samsung Tizen operating system, Java can work on it. C language is at number three because C language can design any sort of operating system in the world. Almost all the operating systems did use C language for its creation, updation, implementation, and execution. C++ was a superset of C language, so it was at number 4. Number 5 is at JavaScript. Yeah, it's a good and upcoming language. Number 6 is at R. Number 8 was Go. Number 9 was Swift. Number 10 was MATLAB. Then C Sharp was a very good programming language. It is there in the list, and interestingly, it can handle all the four things. It can work on website development, mobile app development, desktop development, and microprocessor development also. So please do visit this link and visit this survey. It's a very interesting and good one. So as you can see that CPU utilization ratio is up. A lot of input and output is going from the disk. Graphical processing unit. Once this calculation will be over, once I get my complete output, then resource utilization will automatically go down. So just wait for a few minutes because this is a very long code, so it will take few minutes to execute. By that time I'll zoom it. And COBOL has come up in the IEEE programming language survey because it has been used a lot because of this unfortunate pandemic. If you want to learn a new programming language, you can start with Python. Obviously, it is at the best position, or you can go ahead with C++, C Sharp, or Java because these three programming languages are very, very close to each other. So it will be easy for you to change technology tomorrow into the future. New results are still coming up. After every 6 months or 1 year, IEEE will give their programming language services. Last time they did was in March 2020. Before that, it was September 2019. All are prime numbers. Because it is a very heavy computational task, that is why it is taking a lot of time and resources. So slowly and slowly the numbers are coming up, because normal small programs of Java, they execute very fast. If you want to learn, you can also learn Arduino programming language. It is very similar to C language and it was at number 7 by IEEE survey. It is easy to learn, that is why I'm highly recommending it. And it can be used for microprocessing also. Okay, here is the output. Build successful, total time 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Now I'm expecting the resources utilization to go down. CPU is it down obviously. CPU utilization ratio is in front of you. The RPM of the fan has gone down. And I'll terminate NetBeans to further reduce it. Okay, so here we are. Thanks a lot for watching.